What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life. My name is Min. I'm just a nail tech that's been doing it for 15 plus years, and I just want to share my experience and knowledge with you. And today I want to talk about how to keep the clients coming back to you. Huh? How? I spend all this money buying good product. I practice. I pay for classes, but I don't see them coming back. I got bills to pay. Oh Lord, this was not what I imagined this career should come out to be. Look, y'all, it's okay. It all happens to us. We all have the moment where we just don't know where we're gonna get the next clients, right? I mean, the nail industry is like a hit and miss sometimes. Someday you're busy and someday you're catching flies and you're wondering why. So let me ask y'all this. Let me tell you how I obtain my clients. First, it starts with social media. But people were like, but we didn't have social media back then. How did they build their clients? Well, let me take you back 10 years ago, or even 20 years ago, before social media was popping. As nail tech, we had to work 6 days or even 7 days a week. And we had to be there from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. at the salon, regardless if it's busy or not. Yes, there's a lot of downtime. And that's what makes this career sucks. When it's busy, it's all good. Life is good. I love everything about my job. But when it's slow, I need to start looking for a new career. I need to go back to school. Shoot, maybe I can work with my family. I mean, those are the questions that runs through your mind when it's slow, right? So now, today is a different ball game. I feel like today, you can actually obtain a client a lot faster because of how powerful social media. I mean, you got friends on Facebook, you got friends on Instagram, now you got TikTok, Snapchat. I mean, there are so many ways you can actually expose yourself, expose your work. And it starts right there. It starts right there to get the clients in. But now, how do you keep the client from coming back? So let me tell you this. When I was younger, I wasn't good at doing nails at all. It was hard. It was horrible. I had no customer experience. But you know what I had? I care. And when I care, I show the clients that I care. So when the client can feel my caring vibe, they're gonna give me opportunities to get better. And what I'm trying to say is that it's important for you to connect with your clients through your personality for beginners nail tech. Because once you connect with them, they're gonna love you for who you are. They're going to care about you as an individual. They're gonna care about your career. And because they care about all of that, they are going to support you. They're gonna keep coming to you until you get better. And if you cannot get better because they're constantly coming back to you, then that's just a problem where you have to reconsider if this is the right craft for you or not. But that is how you obtain a loyal customer. You connect with them. Most of my clients, even when I first met them, how I greet them from the start. Hey, how you doing? Come on in. Make yourself at home. Whatever you need, let me know. I'm here for you. I'm not kidding, y'all. I'm not kidding. It sounds like I'm like being sarcastic, but it's not. It's real, y'all. Because imagine this. The clients, they work hard. 9 to 5, back breaking, legs hurting, arm is sore. They just want to feel pampered. And you, as nail tech, is the product of pampering. You are the reason why they come. So you can pamper them. Make them feel good. Make them feel beautiful. Make them feel right. It sounds easy, right? It sounds really easy. Oh yeah, you just talking. No. It's day in and day out. You gotta keep the same vibe with your client. Okay? It's not the first impression. It's a lifetime impression, y'all. That's what y'all need to put it in your head. Okay? Your first impression is great, but in the second impression you fall off the wagon, ain't nobody gonna pick you up. Okay? You gotta give them 100% of you, your effort, and your personality. And once you give them all of that, my friend, they gonna connect with you. And then some of y'all probably like, what if I give them all of that and they still ain't coming back? Then the answer is, that ain't your client. That is somebody's client. There's client for everybody, y'all. There's client for everybody. Okay? The right one is gonna come to you. The one that's gonna fit your personality is gonna come to you. Okay? The way I'm saying all of this, y'all probably thinking like, oh yeah, anybody can say stuff like that. But look, it's old school, but it works. You know? At the end of the day, human to human, you gotta connect. Like when you go to work, somebody connect with you. Don't you like that? When you go out, you connect with someone. Don't you like that? It's all about connecting, y'all. And if y'all able to connect with people emotionally, they're gonna keep coming back to y'all. And that's how the industry works. So trust me, y'all. It has worked for me the last 20 years, and I can see this working for me the next 20 years. So I just want to share with y'all my experience to help y'all out so y'all can feel confident and go out there and just connect with people and promote yourself. And that's the two formula for you to obtain the clients and to have them coming back to you consistently to make you a good living. If y'all like this content, please like this video and subscribe to the channel so I can give y'all more. I'll see y'all next time.